And that's when marketing come to place as well.
Yes,
So
exactly.
they
Exactly.
help agents, they guide them, they educate them, and they basically make it easier for them to understand and embrace and live with it.
So AI can be a scary topic, especially when many of the articles that you read in the paper and how it's going to take over the world and all of that. But at the end of the day, it's going to be a tool. It's going to support our tools to help our agents be more efficient, work better, work faster, and potentially eventually make more money. We have it embedded in many of the platforms that we utilize already, including our e-marketing platform, our CRM, social media, and many, many others, including, as you know, our Matterport. So it's part of what we do already, and it's already making the agent's life easier and faster. Our job, though, as their company support behind them, is to continue to identify ways and products to help our agents.
And that's when marketing department also comes in place, when they guide the agents and they educate them. And if they're struggling with some new tools, they assist them in understanding and utilizing. That's important, because you can have all bells and whistles in the world, but if they're not utilized, it's not the same, right? So I think that's what's so good about your company, that you have strong support who make sure that your agents are implementing everything that's offered.
Yeah, and you know what? There's a percentage of agents that just are not going to be able to do it, and we're going to help them. If it means that we have to push the button for them, for those agents, we'll push the button for them.
You're spoiling them.
But because at the end of the day, we want them to sell houses. That's what they do. That's what they do best. And AI is never going to replace that.
That is so true. And I strongly believe that AI will never replace all the humans anyway. Plus, we have to guide AI anyway. So here we go. Let's talk about the new agent and the future agent, if you will. And how do you see what agents have to do in today's environment, especially it's so competitive? Your market is extremely competitive. What do they have to do to thrive, to grow, to be better?
You know, that's a really interesting question, because I have seen the evolution of the real estate agent, I think, in my career. And when I first began, particularly in the market that I was in, I would have to say many of the agents were they weren't full-time agents. They were kind of part-time agents, and they worked the people they knew. And our business has become so much more professional. And the agents that are going to be successful in the future are going to be the most professional agents. They're going to be agents that wake up every day, and this is their job. They have a routine. Doesn't necessarily need to be in the office all day, but it is a routine dedicated to their career on a daily basis.